Всем привет! В этом выпуске я хочу рассказать вам о проекте, подготовленном учащимся 9 Б и 9 Г класса под руководством учителя английского языка Кухаревич Елены Александровны. Проект был подготовлен на тему погоды. Учащиеся вложили очень много сил и времени не только в изучение этой темы, но еще и на саму подготовку проекта. А знания, которые они использовали, были получены как на уроках английского языка, так и на уроках и географии. Не стоит забывать и про знания, которые они специально приобрели для лучшей осведомленности в своей теме. Поэтому я предлагаю вам посмотреть результат их работы.
Aim of camp to make people weather wise and to encourage their interest. We have discovered what is the weather, what is extreme weather, and what is climate. We have learned what is how does weather work, how to write weather focus, and how does weather work.
Hi everyone. I'm going to tell you about opinions about other weather international camps. At first, we have three people that wrote opinions. The first is Katya. Katya shows that our camp is really fascinating and great place for learning something new and just resting. She said that she has not only weather skills, but very useful life skills, such as making bed, cleaning her room, and also planning the day. Artyom aimed to have real friends, not fair weather friends, and his dream come true. Also, he admired that in our camp it was really easy to team up with everybody. And also our instructions gave him a very good welcome, despite the fact that there were a lot of people. And the last one, Ulyana. She really liked our camp because we offered her a lot of modern and comfortable facilities, such as library, a TV room, an internet room, and very good lunch. She also liked our timetable because it taught her to do all things fast, but all the same enjoy her time.
And Maxim, do you know how to use them?
Yes, I know.
Okay, you're welcome.
Very often in everyday life we use words describing the weather. For example, rainy, foggy, sunny, cloudy. And we are often asked, what's the weather like today? There are three ways to answer this question. The first is plus adjective. For example, it's rainy, it's sunny. The second, it is plus verbs in present continuum. For example, it's raining, it's cloudy in cover. And the third, there is plus singular noun and there are plus plural noun. For example, there are clouds in the sky, there are clouds in the sky, there is a strong wind. And always we're going outside to look at what the temperature is to understand what to wear. There are 7 types of temperature. Frosty, cold, chilly, cool, warm, hot and very hot. Few riddles from my class. If there are a lot of dark clouds in the sky is Roma? Yes. And second, if it's raining heavily and there are loud noise in flashes of light in the sky, there, Karina?
Thunderstorm.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much.
Let's watch an experiment. How warm air rises and cold water sinks. I have a container with room temperature water, blue ice cubes and 10 drops of food color. I put in the hot water. The red water, because it's warm, is on the top. The blue is cold, it's on the bottom. Dense layer is on the bottom, less dense water is on the top. Air does the same thing. Warm air rises, cold air sinks.
The weather occurs when sun evaporates the water and water vapor with form clouds hides up and form clouds. Clouds can make a different precipitation. For example, is rain. Rain is when water droplets in clouds become too heavy and fall on an Earth's surface, and snow it when water droplets freeze and fall on Earth's surface in form snowflakes. And weather depends on temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity and precipitation.
Ilya, in the camp you observed weather and tried to predict it. Was it successful?
Oh yes, sure. I will tell you about weather forecasting tools. Barometer will be the first. A barometer is a scientific instrument that used to measure air pressure. Pressure can tendency forecast short-term changes in the weather. Many measurements of air pressure used within surface weather analysis to surface troughs. The second object will be thermometer. A thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. A thermometer has two important elements: a numerical value and temperature sensor. Thermometer used in meteorology. And last object will be psychometer. Psychometer is a device for indirect measurement of gas humidity. The humidity of the gas is calculated by using the psychometric formula from the temperature difference between dry and wet temperatures. And this is all.
Thank you, Ilya, and it will be interesting to listen to Veronica. She knows a lot about weather observation tools.
Such weather observing tools supply the various human senses: the eye, the nose, the ear. The rain gauge, barometer, anemometer, psychometer, and thermometer were all invented in the years between 1400 and 1700. They are the basic observing tools of weather observers all over the world. In the 1840s, new observing systems such as infrared balloons, radar, and satellites have appeared. They are now part of the range of tools that are used by weather watchers. They process information in the form of forecast, maps, and even three-dimensional models as back to weather information users via television, radio, and the internet. But today nobody can say how weather will be predicted in the future or how accurately it will be predicted.
Today I want to speak about the weather in Belarus and the UK in January. The average temperature in Belarus in January was plus 2 degrees. The average temperature in the UK in January was minus 4 degrees. There were more than 50% of cloudy days in the UK. The weather in the UK is usually with a lot of precipitation. It's rain, snow with rain, or just snow. Strong winds with floods are possible. The weather is the most frequently discussed topic. People speak about weather every day. The temperature in Belarus may be different in different regions. It seems to me Brest region is usually warm. The weather in Belarus in January was different.
Hello, welcome to Weather Focus from International Weather Camp. Weather warning overnight for Scotland and Northern Ireland. A snow warning covering much of Scotland. Also, through Wednesday evening and Thursday morning, a wind warning covering more western parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. The temperature will range from -1 degree Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius in northern parts of country overnight. It's mostly in Scotland. And in the south part, England and Wales, overnight temperature will range from 3 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Also, into the first part of Thursday, breezy condition and snow showers will become stranger. Now through the day, we watch the system moves to the east. It's a mix of snow, rain and sleet at low levels. But certainly some accumulations of snow will be through Scotland. They will be around 200 meters. And the temperature all over the country will range from 6 degrees Celsius to 9 degrees Celsius. Mostly in northern parts it will be 6 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius in Northern Ireland. And in England and Wales it will be around 7 or 9 degrees Celsius. Also through the day it will be some bright sky over Wales and England. And in western parts of Scotland, snow showers will continue. Also, have a good day and thank you for watching.
As for me, I'm talking about weather. I'm expecting it might depend on it. So I decided to make a questionnaire among my classmates about their preferences in weather. And this information I found out. On the question, what's your favorite season? They answered that they prefer summer and spring because they are warm and most comfortable. The second question was where they experienced extreme weather conditions. Most of my classmates didn't experience extreme weather conditions. And the question, have you ever thought about moving to another country with different climate? Part of class thought about it, and another part is absolutely happy with our climate. I wish you warm days and fair weather.
Думаю, посмотрев наш видеопроект, вам понравилась думка нашего учителя, и вы захотите повторить что-нибудь похожее на своих уроках. Ну а наш выпуск подходит к концу. Большое спасибо вам за просмотр. Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал. До новых встреч в эфире.